Hi, Goddess of Love here again. Kamusta kayo dyan mga goddess ko? So, yan, another reading na naman tayo today for you, Aries, no? So, let's see what's your current situation, no? Update on your love situation, self-care advice for this coming week, and of course, message advice from the universe, no? Mga Aries natin dyan. So, yeah. So, tignan natin, no, mga Aries, no? Tignan natin what's your current situation, love situation, self-care advice for you this week, and message advice from the universe. Yeah, so let's see. What's your overall energy sa relationship ninyo, Aries, no? Kuha tayo ng one card here. Overall energy for you, Aries. Tingnan natin. Overall energy ng relationship ninyo. Let's see. So, you have this, ano to? Candy cane, no? O cone. Candy cone angel. And it's time, ano to? It's time for a treat, no? It's time for a treat, no? So, candy cane angel, no? Pero malungkot yung mukha niya, no? So, maybe, no, parang dinedeprive, ayun ba yung tamang word dun? Parang nire-resist ninyo yung sarili ninyo na maging, sabihin nyo na, maging makuha nyo yung deserve para sa inyo. Or, yung parang maging masaya, no? Parang nire-resist ninyo yung sarili nyo na, yung talagang gusto nyong gawin, hindi nyo siya makuha-kuha. Something like that, no? So, that's the overall energy, no? Meron sa inyo dyan, no? Na hindi makuha yung gusto, no? Yung magpapasaya sa kanila, no? Something like that, no? So, ayun yung nakikita ko rito, no? Sinasabi nga, it's time for a treat, no? But then, ang parang mas malinaw na nakikita ko dito is, hindi niya makuha yung gusto niya, no? Yung parang, treat kasi, di ba, ang treat is something na nagpapasaya sa atin, craving, no, di ba? So, but then, di ba, nakikita mo malungkot, no? So, ayun yung nakikita ko, no? Yung may gusto kang mangyari or kung ano man, no? Na hindi mo magawa or hindi mo makuha, no? That's why, no? Or, yeah, merong ganun sa loob ng relationship, no, Aries, no? Na parang ganun, no? So, 'di ba? So, sinasabi nga dito na parang you deserve naman nan, but then parang you are resisting yourself, no? Something like that, no? Mga Aries natin. Or maybe ang sabihin din natin dito, no? Pwede rin na kasi candy cone, no? Candy cone angel, no? Minsan din ang 'di ba, ang matamis din sabihin natin na parang nakakasama rin 'yan, 'di ba? Lalo na 'di ba sa kasabihan, 'di ba, yung sa ipin natin, no, hindi man kasabihan but it's a fact, 'di ba, na nakakasira din yung sobrang matamis, mga candies, right, no? And then ang nakikita ko rito, no, for some of you, no, kung yung mga nakakasama din, no, kung ano man is parang there is someone here din na parang ginagawa niya pa rin palagi, no? Kung ano man itong mga parang masama na hindi na maganda para sa kanya, no? Still, no? Kasi for that person, no? Ang tingin niya is kailangan niyang i-treat yung sarili niya. But then, kung makikita mo deep inside, no? Or siguro, ginagawa niya yun, no? To satisfy him or herself, no? So, depende yan, no? Again, no, vice versa, no? Cross watchers are welcome, no? Pwede magkapalit-palit. So, just take what's resonate for you, no? Mga Aries natin, no? Pwedeng person mo to or ikaw, diba? So, there is, diba, dalawa to, no? Merong nagre-resist ng mga gusto, meron din namang, kahit mali na, no, sige pa rin siya dun sa mga basta kasi gusto niya, no? Kumbaga parang there's no excuse, no? Gusto ko to. It's for me. I have to treat myself. I deserve this. No, something like that, no? Parang may ganun din na energy dyan, no? So, let's see. What's, additional messages for you, no, mga Aries natin. No? So, let's see. Kuha tayo ng 2 cards for you, Aries. Additional messages for you, Aries. So, may bumagsak na regrets, mistakes, no? But hindi natin kukunin. No? Kasi gusto ko ako yung kukuha. Wait lang, So, yeah, let's continue, no, Aries. So, kuha tayo ng 2 cards, no, for you, Aries. Additional messages for Aries, please. Ang ating lalamunin, no? So, you have this. So, you have this addiction, no? So, unhealthy attachment, no? So, parang may kinalaman din dito, no? Sa Candy Cane Angel, no? Sabi ko nga, no? Parang, no? There is someone din sa relationship nyo, yung unhealthy habits, no? Addiction, no? So, yun nga, no? Parang hindi niya maalis sa sarili niya, no? For some of you, no? Aries, no? So, let's see what else. So, you have this, no? Between the lines, no? Look for what's hidden. So, meron talaga, no? Merong mga hidden dito, no? Maybe for some of you, no? Ang nakikita ko rito, no? Ay may malalaman ka pa, no? Parang sabihin natin na mag-dig deeper pa, no? Hindi lang yung nakita mo yun na yun, no? Meron pa yan, no? For some of you, meron ka pang parang may malalaman ka pa na something. Kung may nalaman ka na, no, for some of you, no, still there is still missing, hidden, deeper, no, mas may nakatago pa sa parang sabihin natin, 'di ba, na kung may nalaman kang secrets, no, hidden secrets, na meron pang mas naka-hide dyan, no, for some of you, Aries, no. So, ayun yung nakikita ko dito, no. So, maybe itong addiction na to, for some of you, no, kung ano man itong addiction, maraming aspects ang addiction, no, alak, sugal, no, babae, right, babae, lalaki, no, something like that, na hindi nare-resist ng tao na ito, no. Sabi ko nga, may hindi makaresist, or sabi naman, yung isa naman ay ayaw, parang hindi niya naman kumbaga nire-restrict, no? Yung isang sinabi ko nga, and then the other one is yun nga, no? Parang wala siyang pakialam, parang feeling niya deserve niya to, no? So that's the addiction maybe, no? Kung ano man ito, parang keeps on coming back, no? Attachment na yun, no? So unhealthy attachment. So hindi niya na maalis-alis to, no? And that's the secret maybe na na-reveal, but then there is more to reveal, no? Something like that, no? So yeah, parang there is still, no, secrets hidden, no, within those secrets revealed, no? Something like that, kung nagigets mo, no? May na-reveal na secrets, and then there is still a secret, hidden secret inside that secret na nalaman ninyo. Kumbaga, hindi pa yun yung pinaka-secret. Meron pa, no, for some of you, na you are seeking some, di ba, kung naghahanap pa ba kayo ng, and yeah, meron pa siguro talaga, no, between the lines, hindi lang yan yung, kung ano yung nakita nyo, meron pang mas malalim, no, parang something like that, no, mga Aries natin, no. So, let's see what else, no, kuha pa tayo. Additional messages for you, Aries. Kuha tayo ng 3 cards here for you, Aries. 3 cards for Aries. Kuha tayo dito. For Aries, please. Tignan natin kung ano pang meron for Aries. So, you have lang, maano kasi yung ating kamay. So, you have this new life, no? Walk with Jesus, no? So, sinasabi rito, Aris, no? Parang, you have to, maybe, no? New life, you have to start a new life, no? For some of you, no? Leave those toxicity, no? Something like that, and walk with Jesus, no? Something like that, no? Parang, have faith kay Jesus, no? Maniwala ka, no? And you will have this new life, no? Just keep the faith or have the faith and walk with Jesus, no? Something like that. Maybe nawawalan na kayo ng pananalig, pananampalataya kay Jesus, no? Kung sino man sa inyo, no? Mga Aries natin. And what else? So, purpose, no? So, yan, no? Para malaman mo, no? Ano bang maibo-brought up mo pa sa mundo, right? No, for some of you, di ba? Kasi you have been through a lot of chaos na, di ba? For some of you, no? Maybe kung ikaw man to na may mga addiction ka, parang it's time for you to have this new life and detach, no, from these unhealthy addictions, unhealthy habits that you have, no, mga Aries natin. Or if you are dealing with someone na may ganito mga addiction, maybe it's time for you to detach from this person, no, and know your purpose, diba? Parang if you will just walk with Jesus, have faith with Jesus, then you will have this new life, diba? And you will know what's your purpose. Lahat tayo may kanya-kanyang purpose sa buhay. Dito sa mundo, no? Hindi tayo nabuhay lang basta-basta rito nang wala tayong purpose. No, but then most of us, no, nabubulagan tayo sa mundo, no? Sa makamundo nung meron sa atin, no, sa paligid natin, no? Full of deception, full of toxicity, full of deceitful energies, 'di ba? No? At hindi na natin naiisip na hindi lang naman material things or 'di ba ang importante sa atin eh. Importante din yung kaloob-looban natin, no? Ano ba, meron ba tayong silbi sa mundo? Meron ba tayong dapat gawin contribution? 'Di ba? To be a better person and to be a good or a better to give hindi man legacy but then to contribute sa earth na mas maganda, no, before we leave sa earth, 'di ba? Hindi yung parang mas mawawala na lang tayo sa mundo ng maraming naghagalit sa atin because of what we did, something like that, no? So yeah, and then what else? So, meron naman talaga, no, hidden secret. Sabi ko na no, meron pa rin talagang nakatago. Even though may mga na-reveal na sa inyo, no, still, meron pa rin nakatago. 'Di ba? Meron at meron pa kayong hindi nalalaman for some of you, mga Aries natin, no? So, let's see, no? Parang mysteries na to, no? Parang sabihin natin, parang case na parang may misteryo na 'di ba? May hidden secrets na na-reveal. Still, there is still more, no, hidden secrets, parang treasure hunting, something like that, no? So, yeah, what else, no? Kuha pa tayo ng parang naano na tayo dito, no? So, let's see, kuha tayo ng additional messages, no, for some of you. Ano ba? Tignan natin. Kuha pa tayo ng additional messages for you, Aries, no? Kuha pa tayo dito ng 2 cards for Aries. Additional messages for Aries, please. For Aries. So, you have this, no? Ace of Swords in reverse. So, talagang it's clearly na talagang meron pang may deceitful energy talaga rito, no? Sa inyo sa inside the relationship, no, mga Aries natin, no? Talagang may hindi nagsasabi ng totoo rito, no? And then, so, the Tower, no? So, talagang magulo, no? Very complicated, no, for some of you, no, with this dog. with this the tower, no? Parang sabihin natin na, kasi andyan pa rin siya, no? Kumbaga, andyan na, may kidlat na, may apoy na, no? Still, nakabuo pa rin yung tower, no? Kung nakikita mo, yung building, buo pa rin siya, no? Kumbaga, ang dami ng problema sa loob, no? Napakagulo na, napaka-toxic na. Because there is someone who is not telling the truth, who is full of secrets, no? Something like that, no? Napaka-toxic na ng energy, no? Ng relationship ninyo, no? Gulong-gulo na kayo rito with the tower here, no? Parang kapit na kapit pa rin, but then I don't know, no, kung bakit magulo inside, no? Parang sabihin natin na parang siguro for some of you, halos araw-araw na kayong nag-aaway, nagtatalo ng person ninyo, no? Regarding kung ano man, di ba? Kasi ang daming sikreto dito na nakatago, no? Parang ang hirap halukayin ng halukayin, no? Kasi parang every steps, no, may marireveal na naman. Then every parang 'di ba, hindi ba natatapos sa dami ng sikreto? So very toxic, no, kung sino man ito, right? Sa inyo, no, mga Aries natin. So, yan, nakakapagod yung ganyan, 'di ba? Nakakapagod siya. So, yeah, parang 'di ba? Parang napapagod tuloy yung napagod tayo bigla. So, nakaka-relate ba? Nakaka-relate? Yeah, if you are dealing with an Aries, me, if I will be the one watching, no, I will be a cross watcher here, no, kasi I'm dealing with an Aries din. Aries, and you can see my braso, 'di ba? So, very toxic, no? It's a very toxic situation talaga, no? So, I hope na malagpasan nyo ito, no, whoever you are dealing in this, within this kind of relationship. Napaka-toxic ng ganito na ang daming itinatago, right? No? So, let's see what else, no? Kuha pa tayo ng additional messages for you, Aries. Tignan natin. Kuha tayo dito ng 2 cards for you, Aries. 2 cards for Aries, please. Additional messages for Aries. No? Ace of Swords, no? Even though ang dami nang na-reveal, no? Still, no? Parang for some of you, kung sino man tong nagtatago ng mga secrets is still, hindi pa rin umaamin, no? Kahit na may mga na-reveal na. Ganun katigas. Ganun sabihin natin na, I don't know, maybe a narcissistic type of person. Bang para sa kanya wala pa rin siyang ginawang masama, no? Kasi patayo pa rin si Tower kahit na sabihin puro apoy na, tinamaan na ng kidlat sa loob, no? Nandiyan kumbaga, sasabihin natin, ito yung mga secrets, no? Ang dami na, ang dami ng apoy, yung mga secrets, no? Still nakatayo pa rin to, no? Tinatago pa rin, no? May mga marami pang bintana dyan, no? Pwede pang lumabas yung mga apoy. So, maybe talagang marami pang secrets na lalabas, di ba? That's why siguro, nandiyan pa rin yan nakatayo. Dahil may malalaman pang mga sikreto. Diba? Something like that. So, what else? So, ito na yung lumabas kanina. Nagsishuffle ako nung nakuha pa rin natin. So, you have this, no? Go get some fresh air, no? In reverse siya, no? And then, do what you love. No? So, for some of you, no? Wag mong pigilan yung sarili mo, no? If you are in this kind of situation, if you, diba? Nakakapagod na to, no? So, wag mo, sabi ko nga, may nagre-resist din dito ng gustong gawin, di ba? That's why, di ba? Naka-reverse to, no? Go get some fresh air. Kung gusto mo munang lumayo, gawin mo. Di ba? Do what you love. Kung ano yung magpapasaya sa'yo, gawin mo. Because you are so exhausted na, no? For some of you, sa ganitong klaseng relasyon. Nakakapagod at ang hirap niyan, no? Parang ang sakit sa ulo, hindi ka na makatulog, anxiety, depression, lahat-lahat na, no? You need some time for yourself. You need to Yeah, get some fresh air literally, no? Punta ka sa lugar na mare-relax ka. Do what you love, 'di ba? Kasi wala ka nang maramdamang love dito sa inside this relationship na full of deceitful energy. 'Di ba? Exhausted, hindi ka na makakahinga. Something like that, 'di ba? Mga Aries natin and cross watchers, because I'm considering myself as cross watcher here, right? No? So yeah, let's see what's your self-care advice for this coming week, no, mga Aries natin. Let's see. Kuha tayo ng one card for you, Aries. Tignan natin. And yeah, no, kung nagtatanong kayo regarding this, no, na-discuss ko yan sa Taurus reading natin, no, maybe makaka-relate kayo, no. Sinabi ko yan. And may mga sinabi ako doon regarding dreams, no, maybe nakakapanaginip din kayo ng ganon, no, para may malaman din kayo. Kasi from that dreams, no, doon ko rin nalaman yung mga ibang sikreto ng person, right? No, so panoorin niyo yung Taurus reading ko, no, for some of you Aries, right? No, so let's see. Kuha tayo ng one card here for you, Aries. Tignan natin. So you have this, connect with your ancestors. So maybe ang sinasabi rin dito na may tree, foundation, no? Maybe kung for some of you malakas na rin ang inyong intuition, inyong kutob, no? Kaya may mga nalalaman na rin kayo, kaya may mga na-reveal na din sa inyo. And yeah, for some of you dumadaan kayo sa depression right now, no? Nako-confuse kayo, no? Literally, if I will not connect this into spirituality, right? No? So maybe your self-care advice for this coming week is connect with your ancestors, no? Maybe sa iyong immediate family, no? Kung wala kang makausap regarding yung situation, no? Mga Aries natin. Talk to your biological family, no? Relatives na alam mo makakatulong, or sabihin nating mga friends na napagkakatiwalaan mo, no? Kasi baka sinusolo nyo lang. That's why, no? You need to speak out, no? Ano yung nararamdaman ninyo, no? If not, pinaka-ancestor natin is of course si universe, no? Si God. Siya yung creator natin, si Jesus, anak ni God, right? Who is our savior. So also our ancestor din yan, 'di ba? So praying, no? Maybe for some of you, no, you need to pray, no, and talk to Jesus, no? Tell him, no, your burdens, no? Surrender, no? Para gumaan-gaan yung inyong kalooban. Kasi mahirap yan, no? 'Di ba? Something like that, no? So yeah, yun yung nakikita ko rito, no? Parang you need to release your inside emotions, no? Something like that, no? Kasi mahirap yan kung lagi lang nasa utak natin, damdam. Mahirap kalaban ng depression. And I don't want you to be on that too long, no? You have to heal yourself, no, mga Aries natin. Get out of that kind of mental health problem, no? Mga Aries, before tayo magsisi sa huli, 'di ba? Palakasin niyo yung loob niyo, 'di ba? Pray and pray and pray, have faith kay God, no? Huwag kayong mawawala ng pag-asa, right? No, so let's see what's the message advice for you ni universe, no, mga Aries natin. So kuha tayo ng one card for you, Aries, no? Tingnan natin. Kuha tayo ng one card for you, Aries. Let's see. Tingnan natin. Message advice for dalawa yung nakuha natin. So let's see. So you have this, no, Virgo. Maybe your person is a Virgo, or cross watcher, you are a Virgo dealing with an Aries, right? no? So, talagang may liar, no? Cheating, no? Guilty, no? Talagang totoo, no? Kahit hindi aminin, no? Totoo lahat, right? Alam mo yun, di ba? So, what else? So, di ba, be mindful of your decisions, no? Kaya kailangan maging matalino ka talaga sa mga magiging decision mo, no? Kasi matalino rin tong kadil mo, magaling magpaikot to, right? Kasi hindi niya inaamin eh, yung tower nakatayo pa rin, no? Kahit na ang dami nang na-reveal, di ba? Sinasabi ko sa'yo, still may mga secrets pa din na itinatago. So, magaling magtago ito. Kaya kailangan magaling ka rin magdesisyon. Kasi, kung ano man yung mga hakbang na gagawin mo, maging maingat ka. Because, anytime pwede kang mabaliktad ng tao na ito for some of you. Ayun yung nararamdaman ko dito, Aris. No, for some of you, or cross-watchers again. Diba? So, yan, no. Mag-ingat kayo, no, sa mga tao na mapaglin lang. No, kahit na, kasi alam niyo yung mga tao na may mga kasalanan at hindi nila maamin-amin ang kasalanan nila. May strategy yan eh. Magaling magtago talaga yan, no? At once na nalaman nila or na-reveal yung mga ibang mga sikreto nila, sobrang galit yan at nag-iisip ng revenge yan. Kasi na-reveal yung sinatago nila eh, no? That is a narcissistic type of person. Kaya maybe for some of you are dealing with one of that kind of person, no? Kaya be careful, no? And be mindful. Be aware of that person. Hindi mo mapapagkatiwalaan talaga yan, no? Ingatan mo yung sarili mo, right? No? So yeah, that's it for you mga Aries, no? So I hope na naka-resonate kayo sa reading ninyo today. Yan, no? So, be careful talaga, no? At sabi ko nga lagi, no? Pag-aralan nyo, no? At palakasin niyo yung kutob ninyo, yung intuition ninyo, no? Para hindi kayo nalilinlang ng mga tao sa paligid ninyo, right? No? So, yeah. That's it for you. I hope na naka-resonate kayo sa reading natin today. So, yeah. God bless you all and thank you for watching, Aries.